Probably hard to hear what I'm saying with a bike running. But this has got that camshaft noise, well, cam chain tensioner noise. And the bike's only done 22,000 miles. Now I've just been onto the Triumph Rocket 3 Forum Owners Club, and they're saying put the bike in 5th gear and rock it backwards. And I can see the method in that, where it would slack the chain so the adjuster, which is automatic, can spring forward. So I'm just letting the bike warm up, and I'll see if it has made any difference. I only get that noise at about 3,000 RPM. Just let it warm up a bit. I've only just started a bike a couple of minutes ago. And that noise that I usually can hear is on the left side of the bike. And the cam chain tensioner is in the front housing next to the clutch. So, not a great big deal. A lot of rocket owners have had the same problem, according to the forum on the internet, which is a great source of information, I can tell you. Wow, I'm not getting that noise. So maybe that kicking it back in 5th gear and rocking the bike back, I could feel the engine turn over. Anyway, I'll take it for a run and see if it's sorted out the problem. It'd be wonderful if it has.